We've done a review video of a 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus before, which is the most powerful dashcam on the 70mm, but the Dashcam Omni we're introducing today is also the most powerful one. I mean, for the fun part, really no one can beat it. Look at this rotating lens. I believe you will be like me, have a great interest in this dashcam. If you haven't heard of 70mm, but you must know Xiaomi, and they are partners. 70mm was founded in 2016 and focuses on smart car electronics products. They have their own R&D department and factory and have dash cams from beginner models to advanced 4K with driver's assistance. They are very focused on product design and have an IF and Red Dot Design Awards, so at least you can trust them on dashcam. When the Omni arrived at the office, I was still surprised that it came in such a small box. Open the lid, the dashcam is on the left, the accessories are all on the right. There's a very long power cable, Type-C port by the way, a wiring crowbar, dual USB car charger, a manual, and a bunch of stickers. If you purchase the hardware kit, you will also receive a bunch of wires like this. This will allow you to plug the dashcam into your car battery for even more functionality. The Omni's design is very round and reminds me of a movie character, the Minions. It's not just the oval shape that reminds me of them. If you connect the power supply, a smiley face will appear on the small screen at the back. In fact, this face is a mascot of the 70mm called the mics. This face will show different emotion according to different situations. The LED glow ring beneath the screen gives a feedback of the Omni's working status, and it can also light up orange and red to warn suspicious targets. 3 buttons are located on the left side, which are up, down, and the power button. On the right side is the power port, and below is the speaker. Nothing is more interesting than the lens that can be rotated. Empowered by the stepping boulder, the Omni rotates smooth across 340 degrees. You can control its rotation by voice or cell phone, and of course, you can rotate it manually. Why do you need a dashcam that can rotate? 70mm gives 2 answers. The first answer is that it can be used as your second vlog camera. Want to take a selfie while driving? Of course you can. Want to record your life? No problem at all. Just say, take a selfie, the camera will be pointed at you. When there's no accident, Omni can also play as a normal camera. It is a kind of a good function, I think. The rotatable lens also has the advantage that the tracking range of objects can become larger. If a vehicle hits you, or if a suspicious person approaches your car, then it will point the lens at him to track. This feature is very good, similar to the addition of Tesla's Sentry mode for your old car, but the premise is that you have to connect Omni to the car battery to use this feature. Let's talk about its image quality. As I said at the beginning, it's not the most powerful hardware, and you can only record up to 1080p 60fps video specs, but considering its price and rotatable lens, I think it's acceptable. Look at the image quality yourself. I think as a dashcam it's very good, huh? Also as HDR, either day or night are as clear. For a mainly functional dashcam, Omni has been able to meet my needs. The Omni comes in 3 storage versions, 32GB, 64GB, and 128GB. Yes, it does not have an SD card slot, but the good news is that you can view all the footage through the app. It's also easy to disassemble, and if you want to connect the Omni to your computer, the footage inside is already sorted out for you. Finally, I don't have to look for those few vlog footages from hundreds of footage. Thank you, 70mm. Let's take a look at the software part of it. There are 2 main uses of the app, controlling dashcam in real time and finding the footage you need. You can use the app to control the lens rotation, take photos, or record the videos. Or when you look at the footage you want, you can look for footage from the timeline or go by its category. Other than that, there are no fancy features. Very simple app. Well, you should know exactly what kind of dashcam is Omni. It has a rotating lens that can be used as your second vlog camera and also has a larger monitoring range. If you have an old car and want to experience something like the Tesla Century Mode, or if you just want a vlog camera that fits in your car, this may be your only option for now. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.